Hi there, students. A purveyor. So, a purveyor purveys, the verb. Okay, a purveyor is a person or a company that provides what is needed. It's a supplier, but particularly of food and drink. So, a greengrocer is a purveyor of foodstuffs. There's a company called Justerini and Brooks, purveyors of fine wines and spirits. Purveyor, provider of, supplier of. Now, in the UK, there's such a thing as a royal warrant that can be granted to a company. And this royal warrant says that this company provides goods or food to the Queen. So a purveyor to the Queen, and you'll see a royal coat of arms as well. So a provider, yeah, look for it and you'll find it. Okay, so a purveyor of foods, to purvey, to provide food to provide also other things as well. Now, a purveyor is also a person who spreads information. They could spread rumours or lies or ideas or doctrine. So a purveyor purveys information. A purveyor of truth, a purveyor of lies, a purveyor of extremist ideas. So it's to spread an idea, to spread a story, to spread information. Now notice this word to purvey and purveyor. These are both very formal words. I think the verb to purvey is maybe more formal and more unusual, but they are both rare words. So, to purvey, to provide food, to spread information or ideas, to disseminate. This company purveys meat, vegetables and foodstuffs to cafeterias all over the city. I think that purvey there sounds so formal, I would never say it. I think it's only something I would write in an extremely formal document. Films and television purvey an unrealistic idea of what life in the Western world is really like. It makes people in the third world believe that the streets are paved with gold and they have to come here. So, to purvey, to provide what is needed. Maybe a ship's chandler purveys everything a ship might need when it comes into port. The company purveys beef to the Queen. They are a purveyor of beef. But this is really, really formal. 8.5 in formality. Yeah, this is at the top of the formality list. I think informally I would use the word to supply or to provide, or with the other meaning, to spread a rumour. Okay, and what about origin? Well, there's a Latin word, providere, meaning to provide. So purveyor, purvey and provide, these two words go back to the Latin word for to provide. So I guess I am a purveyor of English videos and ideas about how to improve your English. Yeah, in that way I am a purveyor. So be careful where you use this word. It sounds really posh and really formal. So be careful with it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A purveyor